Father God, when me do fi deserve this, you're gonna give me you're gonna give me one sensible one.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. So this video today is all about messing with my mom. When I tell y'all that's all I do is mess with her. But this one, I didn't even mean to take it this far. It just happened. So basically the other day, I think we were on a call and I think I saw this picture of somebody with veneers, and out of nowhere I was like, I forgot to tell you that I'm gonna get veneers. And she started getting mad because she was like, "What's wrong with your teeth?" I said, "Nothing, but my gaps are open and wider, so I want veneers, so I ain't got to worry about the gaps no more." So she got mad, started sending me pictures. I'm going to put the picture right here that she sent me of what they do to your teeth when you got to put veneers on. So she's like, they going to file your teeth down and this, that. Oh, listen, if I had thought I was going to take it this far, I would have recorded the conversation. But it was a spur of the moment thing. And after we got done, I was like, wonder if Amazon got fake veneers. Lo and behold, went on Amazon and I found this bad boy. Big smile, confidence instantly. Fake veneers. All you gotta do is put these things in hot water for like 2 minutes. And then put it in your mouth and it'll form to your teeth, and then you got veneers, you know what I'm saying? So, she's about to call me and let's see what time it is. Oh, shoot. Hold up, y'all. My watch is still on sleep mode. Okay, so about 15 minutes, she'll be heading to work. Then she's going to call me. But I'm actually going to video call her with my new veneers. You know what I'm saying? This should be fun. So y'all stick around and see what she's going to say.
Alright, y'all, so that's the hot water and the mold for the veneers. So you pretty much just put it in the hot water. Then when it's softened, you put it back in the little mold thing right here. And then put it in your mouth and bite down so it'll mold around your teeth. So, let's see.
So, this is why you're supposed to listen to the reviews. Because look at this. What kind of nonsense is this? But guess what? The video won't stop. I'm still going to call her with these bad boys. And see what she going to say. Oh my God. This looks crazy. I'm going to put in the bottom ones and see how it looks for real. Nah. The bottom ones ain't going to work. The plastic was way too thick. So, we just going to roll with the top ones and see what she says, okay? All right, let's see.
Show the car. Eh?
What me I look pan?
What you mean where you look on? Where you
Come
talk
here,
about?
see you.
I drive.
Oh, okay. You
Forget
look
to
nice.
thanks. You forget to me have work.
Remember?
Earlier?
Hmm?
Me the video call earlier?
No, I mean, look. Well, you can look,
Oh,
yeah, drive.
where you there? Fuck off, fat. Ah,
What?
half a sheen.
Hmm?
Half a sheen, you go buy veneers, kid.
It's not Sheen.
How are you buy?
Come look nice.
How are you buy? Half a wish. And no, tell you.
I
I
read
tell
for 10 years.
what?
It's real.
Yeah, man.
Wow.
You want to see the amount on your attack?
No, no.
Father God, I get a good laugh. No,
Mm-mm.
sir.
You don't like it?
How we tell the when you need her the most?
Look like Vibes
Him
Cartel.
all come with me people. I heard they all come with the hypocrite self because say, yeah, girl.
But I tell you. Mm-mm.
Oh, Jesus, have mercy upon me, soul, dear God. I'm all coming up with the hypocrite self. Yeah, girl, go and goods.
Yeah, got the goods. Same thing.
Jesus,
You know
have
not good?
mercy, help me, dear.
You know like
Oh,
it?
Lord, I can't see it good. Yeah, I full of what? Me say me can't see good. Me I full of water.
Okay, when you
Me I go
stop.
stop you. Yes, there's a little stop right now. Let me see how fast me can see it before traffic move. Oh God, my next side I had me Katie and your dentist never do one good job. Father
What you mean? You look nice.
God,
Mommy, you make me feel bad.
yes, yes. But you can't eat with it.
Yes, I can. Let me go get some gum. Hold on.
Jesus, my head back had me.
I can eat with
Yeah,
it. Look at that.
the teeth them not meat, ma.
They are. What do you mean, my teeth now meat?
Not meat. The bottom
Okay,
one them
look.
shorter than the top one. So God, he make me a holler. I want me to go and me a ball. But
Oh, your signal gone.
oh God.
You said
Mm.
the teeth them don't meet?
You put in the bottom one them now?
No, me I put in the bottom one them all next time. Never have enough time today. Okay, see? Since you say me can't eat. Look,
Me can't see it.
you can welcome that kind.
I little bubblegum poppy out. Boy, you really feel my cartel.
Right, cartel veneers.
Jesus. Father God, when me do fi deserve this, you're gonna give me one sensible one.
The juice, the bubblegum juice, I got through the hole.
Jesus have mercy.
See, I can eat. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Mm-mm. God. When I know grills have any ears. But yeah,
Bubblegum can't go on the side. It's a drop out.
I can't.
Uh-uh.
Father God, if you're not busy work, yeah. I never know me that laugh so this evening. Mm-mm.
Oh, now go put out the
I was the
bubblegum.
only. No, you pity out already?
Now look.
Yeah, man, true. Mm-hmm.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
And yeah,
These are, these are
oh,
go cut out that.
eh?
I'm gonna cut you up in the record. I'm gonna cut out the part. No. Mm-mm.
Oh, Jesus have
Mommy, it full of hole, the
mercy.
bubble gum juice, I go through all part of it. You
Jesus
look.
and peace. You should look at me have to drive off back.
I thought the bubble gum will not work. Mm-mm.
Then the front look like how one big teeth there so.
The next one, all right. Yeah, come on, right.
Are you making yourself okay?
No, I don't be
Make
Mickey.
us stop here. So perfect opportunity to stop. They like the part amber. Me didn't even try go through it. They kid look like I just one big teeth there, your mouth front.
It's not just one big one. It's two. One, two. Okay, this one a little bit smaller. This one's a little bit smaller than this one.
You know, if you sue your dentist, I make we rich your life.
Me like it's okay.
So you send $1 million smile go give them.
I just say go give her. I'll send it so she can see it.
The celebrity smile what she been talking about.
Right.
Jesus have mercy. I want me not peep you up myself. Mm-mm.
Uh. Me go spit out the bubble gum. It's not working out.
I hope to God me not pee me
The bubble gum is not
pants.
working.
You? Mm-mm.
Mm-mm. I cannot chew gum right now. It have to I guess you
You
have
have
to
to
wait
set.
a day. Wait a day after putting it in, then you'll see for sure.
Okay, man, you have to set. You have to set.
Yeah, it have to sit right.
She's and peace to speaking here make me. Uh-uh. I don't know what me do for deserve this. I know I'm never do it in a church. I may expect somebody to get one good sensible picking. Look here. Ay, ay, ay.
Yeah.
Me want enough for salt, so no, sir.
It's not salt. You were blessed. Blessed with
You're
a
right.
daughter to make you smile.
With a mad picking, mad soul.
A couple loose screws,
Mm.
that's all.
Wow.
$1 million.
So grandson get $1 million smile too.
TJ, come here real quick.
Ay, ay, ay.
I'm upstairs.
Mm-mm.
Run, come.
Your mother
Come
make
look at
me
my
sick,
teeth that I put
TJ. Your
up
mother make
today.
they a
Come look
cough,
at my
a
new
holla,
teeth.
everything I go along.
I just showed none of my new teeth. Now I'm showing you.
Okay, don't show.
Then you want to hear her? You
Come,
want to hear her talk, TJ?
come here. Look on the phone. None is on there. Look now.
Okay. Why do you have two teeth sticking together?
They're not sticking together.
Ah, ah, ah.
I'm not like her.
Right,
You don't
grandson.
like it?
But look, you said your teeth is sticking together.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. Two,
You are a hater.
two are sticking.
Which two?
Grandson,
So many
my
two is sticking together.
the
Right,
two
right
front
there.
one.
Right
The
there.
two. All
It's
right.
not
All
sticking.
right, grandson.
Yes.
So you like
My
it?
point exactly, grandson.
You like it?
Yeah, because you don't believe me.
Okay, for real, for real. Do you like it or not?
I do.
No, you don't.
You
I don't.
like see, you don't believe me.
Okay, look how you like my smile.
Good. You see, there's tooth sticking. You don't believe me.
Okay. So you think I can wear it on the road? Okay, thank you. You're such a nice son. Are you laughing at me?
Mm.
Oh,
All right. You can go on then.
Grandson say your teeth are
Sticking
sticking
together.
together.
hey, Mama.
Yeah?
Yes.
I think I want to switch.
And
No, that's a mom's phone.
cheese and peace.
I'm going to take a picture for my sister. You look at
You make
myself
me
in the
sick.
mirror.
And the two big front one them when I have no gap again.
Exactly, that was the point. So it not have no gap. And the gap me that try
I hit
close up.
TJ says sticking together.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
It look nice to me.
Yes, man.
Me like it.
Mm-mm.
Peace and peace. You know, reach.
Me reach. Me just park.
Mm.
Go on again. Show them more, man. They not show good.
That's all you can get. See?
You do one now?
Huh?
What you say happen?
I said that's all you can get.
You can't go no further.
Why? Mommy, don't make me feel bad. And then Terence, so see it yet, you know?
Ay, ay, ay. Oh, Terence. And him a go wonder when married, you know.
No, sir. Mm-mm.
Mm-mm.
I
Him a
like
go
them.
wonder when married, you know.
But in a center, compared to the bottom one, them in a center. Well, the bottom one, them will put in after still, so then we center it after.
Okay. And him mouth lip look swell.
No, it don't.
Boy, Lord help me, Jesus. Father
Mm,
God, if you're not busy work, yeah.
yeah. Aye, so I miss you still.
Me send two picture to the group.
Is
See picture them.
hmm?
You see the picture them.
I see them.
Don't say my joke no I make. No. No, sweetie.
It's serious.
Uy. Don't say a joke no I make. Ay, ay, ay. Mm-mm. No, Dale. Now when you're serious, me
It
child.
looks so nice. See? My sister said it looks so nice.
You don't see it good.
Let me take a picture. I'll take a picture and send it to her. If
They
me
could
not
have
see
make
what,
it look more real. The front teeth.
but it look real. But that's what me I say. When the bottom part going, maybe it they more put it to match it up.
Ah, Jesus. Then it look like you want braces to straighten them though. For how they look so.
Why you want braces with straight veneers? No, sir.
Look on the one them when they side of the two big teeth. They look like them are go behind the big teeth.
Yeah, because you know, I how me teeth them straight up, line up with the.
So well you need braces to straighten them ma. So I for somebody I go wear veneers and braces to straighten it. Mm.
Hmm. No, sir. Mm-mm.
Ay, ay, ay. Jesus, if you're not busy walking, help me, dear God, for them a sing thing, yeah. Uh-uh. Fit
No.
on and back the light. I won't remember fit on off it when me I come out.
Mm-mm. I can't take it no more. Couple piece of bubble gum. Couple piece of bubble gum was stuck in there. Fish sure you home, me couldn't get it right.
Then, Lord have mercy. A plastic, eh?
It's Amazon veneers.
Then I hit me that ask if I for Amazon you get it.